Kaila's Quick, power of extreme cool.
How to repair your air conditioning. This air conditioning doesn't running. It's not running. It's not starting. It could be the problem of the capacitor, ground capacitor, or fan capacitor, or fan himself. But I'm going to take you through this troubleshooting, and then I will show you exactly what's wrong. I will show you how to repair it.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Fan is actually not running here. It's very hot, eh? So we're going to do the more troubleshooting and see exactly what is the problem. Either the compressor, the thermostat. Thank you for watching. Yeah, on this case, we're going to have issue with our caps. I'm going to remove the caps and do the test on the caps. It's probably going to be our problem here. You can see it. This one, yeah, that's the guy. I'll check, see how good is that capacitor. Definitely, I'm going to change it. Keep watching. This is our fan who's damaged. This is the fan who's damaged. At the moment, we don't just want to go and buy another one because this model is very old. So we got another one here who's working. So I'm going to try to adapt this fan which is still working to the other one. So guys, keep watching. Let's do the adaptation. If it works, we will be a winner. Keep watching.
Let's begin now.
Dead fan. It's the dead fan. Wow, you can see, guys, it's working. Everything is perfect now. Yeah, it's working. So
Sound nice. See how it's turning now. The looks seem to be fine, eh? If it work like that, we will have color. So guys, you guys can see we have this the fan was here, so we actually rectified the capacitor and then we changed the fan. We put actually a second-hand fan. We managed to adapt that fan there and now it's working. We need to close everything and check our pressure and we can go because definitely everything is fine. Guys, if you like this job, come and join me. Thank you. Keep watching. After doing the job, we have realized that the pressure is low, and when this pressure is low, we top up